Welcome to the world of wash. WOW SoftWash, where cleanliness and quality unite. We're the trusted commercial exterior cleaning heroes in Oregon and Washington. Fed up with stubborn stains and dirt? We have the perfect solution to make your property radiate. From invigorating pressure washing to gentle soft washing, no task is too grand or too modest for our extraordinary team. Ensuring a spotless and captivating property that attracts clients and maintains a resplendent image. Grants serenity to building inhabitants with our high-traffic area cleaning service, which guarantees immaculate, slip-free sidewalks, entrances, emergency exits, ADA access, and parking structures. Our soft wash service offers a secure alternative to pressure washing, exalting delicate surfaces without causing harm. Say goodbye to conventional pressure washers. Is your school or playground looking dull? It's time to boost morale and enhance the learning experience with a fresh, clean start. Our sanitization services go beyond just cleanliness, as we effectively kill viruses, pathogens, and even COVID-19 on surfaces. Our expertise extends to many malls, cities, and counties. No matter the scale, we possess the wisdom and tools to transform your surroundings. Join our thrilled clientele who have experienced the wow factor. Our unwavering commitment to excellence, attention to detail, transparency, and exceptional customer service set us light years ahead. WOW SoftWash, the heroes of commercial exterior cleaning in Oregon and Washington.